Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now before us, let us look at this circle geometry question. Now it says that in the diagram above, which is this, STU are points on the circle centered O. Okay, here you have it. Now if RU, okay, is a tangent to the circle at U, okay, so which means a straight line touching the circumference of the circle, then an ST, that is angle STU is 22 degrees, and we are told to calculate the angle TRU. So this is TRU. So we have to calculate the value of X. So how do we go about it? Now first of all, let us start from the known. Now this is known, okay? All right, and take note, this is from this point to this point, which is from S to T, is a line that passes through the center of the circle. And if you take a look at this line now forms an angle here, okay? And take note, this is a diameter, which is it passes through the center of the circle, which makes it divide the circle into two equal parts. So the angle formed, okay, by a semicircle here is always 90 degrees. Okay, take note, this is where we are headed to. All right, and now since we've gotten this and we've known this, all right, take note of this triangle RST. Okay, now let's find this angle and let's find this angle, so that and we know that the sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. Now for us to get this angle here, now take note that this angle is an external angle, okay, compared to these two. Okay, now this angle here is an external angle which is the sum of these two opposite interior angles, which means the angle formed here, okay, will be the sum of 90 and 22, and that should be 90 plus 22. This will give us 102 degrees. So here is 102 degrees. Okay, so let's know what this place will be. Okay, there's another there's a rule that also says that when a chord, okay, meets a tangent like this, the angle formed here, okay, is equals to the angle this same chord forms with the tangent. Okay, we call that the alternative segment angle. Okay, so this angle here will definitely be equals to this angle here. All right, so which means this angle here is 22 degrees. Okay, so from here now we can, since we now know these two angles, then we can find the third one. And we know that sum of angle in a triangle equals 180. So which implies that X plus 112 plus 22 degree equals what? 180. Okay, and when we sum up this together, that will be X degree equals, it should be, sorry, plus this is 134 degree equals 180. And when we subtract 134 from both sides of the equation here, we end up having 46 degree as the final answer. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.